Effective 1st July 2022, the already overstudied cap of TDS provisions under the Income Tax Act adds one more feather, Section 194R, which seeks to levy a 10% tax deduction at source in respect of any benefit or perquisite provided to a resident carrying on his business or in the exercise of his profession. Friends, the Central Board of Direct Taxes came out with a circular laying down guidelines under Section 194R with the objective of removing difficulties as envisaged under Section 194R2. However, the circular, which is in the form of FAQs, 10 FAQs, they perhaps, the feeling goes, have raised many more questions than the circular has endeavored to answer, has raised more doubts than issues being clarified, and above all, whether the guidelines will really go to remove difficulties or increase challenges faced by business and profession, literally threatening ease of business. And therefore, experts have also opined that 194R may prove to be FBT, the celebrated old fringe benefit tax, in a new avatar. Taxmann is pleased to present a webinar at 4 p.m. on Friday, the 24th June. Friends, I, Mukesh Patel, along with my colleagues, former top revenue official Dr. Pushpinder Puniha and chartered accountant Naveen Wadhwa, we shall interact in this webinar, raising before you several issues, delving down deep into the intricacies of the provisions of Section 194R, interpretations that the circular have raised, which have even posed difficulties rather than removing them. We look forward to your active participation at this webinar.